Hey everyone, welcome back to Eluda Racing. So as you can see, today we're going to have a little bit of fun and we're going to do a comparison or a shootout of GoPro cameras. And if you have watched my videos, you know I'm kind of a GoPro junkie. At one point I had 8 of these things. I love them, use them all the time. I think they're a lot of fun. And today we're going to do a comparison. Not real in depth because I don't have a lot of tech savvy when it comes to these, so we're not going to go real in depth with specs and all that stuff, but we're going to basically do a comparison as far as video quality and sound quality between a GoPro 5, a GoPro 7, and the brand new GoPro 9. Now these are all the black model, and we're going to be doing them all with their base settings. I'm not doing any fine-tuning or any tweaking of anything like that. So what we're going to do is just do a comparison, like I said, of all 3, the 5 black, the 7 black, and the 9 black. Right now I'm doing a video off of my iPhone, so we have I guess we could throw that into the mix too. So we're going to have an iPhone 11 versus a GoPro Hero 5 black versus a GoPro Hero 7 black versus a GoPro Hero 9 black. So we'll just do a quick video. As you can see, we're on the iPhone right now. Do a little pan on the shop, just show you some of the toys in here. And next, after this, we are going to jump over to the GoPro Hero 5. So hang on while we switch over. Alright, so now we are on the GoPro Hero 5 Black, and I'm currently filming in 4K 24 frames per second in wide angle. I have noise reduction on, and I have whatever stabilization or whatever this camera is also enabled. So I'm pretty much just going to kind of keep the same view as I did on the iPhone, so that way we get a good accurate comparison as far as for picture quality, sound quality, and stuff like that. I'm not going to do a big long video on each camera. Like I said, this is just a little quick shootout just for fun, because I want to see the difference myself. I've never actually done side-by-side videos of these cameras to compare the quality, but I basically want to do each camera in its best or highest video capability. So this in the 7 will be in 4K, and then in the 9 I'm going to shoot that in 4K and 5K so we can get a comparison. And then I'm just doing a little bit of tutorial or talking so we can hear the quality in the mics as well. So this is a short clip on the Hero 5 Black, and next we will be doing the 7. Alright, so now we are on the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and like I said, we're just going to do a quick video, show same kind of view as what we did on the 5. I said I'm currently shooting in 4K 24 frames per second. And if anybody watches this and you have some tips of what would be good video settings for me, I would appreciate a comment down below, or any guidance you can give me. Like I said, I'm not real tech savvy with the GoPros. I like them, I use them, but what is the best setting to run one of these in for what I'm doing? I do a lot of these informative videos and stuff like that for mods and tips and tricks on. That was a fail on my part, starting a tutorial or a comparison with the dead battery. So yeah, it killed, or died. But anyway, yeah, like I was saying, if you guys have some comments or some tips on what is a good setup for these cameras for doing this type of filming. I'm not doing a lot of action stuff, I'm doing more tutorial and stuff like that. So what's a good, I guess, vlog setting for one of these? If you could give me that. I want high resolution. I want the best video quality possible. But it's going to be mostly filmed indoors. And then also, say I take the Maverick out and I'm going to do a reaction video or something like that. What is a good setting for that? I want to be shooting in 4K. And you know, what are the best settings for that? The frame rate per second thing is something that I'm not aware of. So do we want to go low number, high number? How do you need to set this camera up? So let me know. So next we're going to jump over to the Hero 9. Okay, so now we're on the Hero 9 Black. This one is actually, they give you a little bit different. I am in 4K and I'm on 24 frames per second, but they call this a linear plus. The other ones were in wide, so I'm not really quite sure on that. I'm gonna have to check these out and then see what's going on from there. If you notice, the video is a little bit hazy, and that's because I currently have the protective cover on the lens. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and pull that off while we're watching the video. Give you guys a little bit of satisfaction of being part of that. So now we're in our full glory. So like I said, we're just going to kind of show the same type of things as what I'm showing on the other ones, so that way we can get a comparison of the colors and the contrast and all that. I'm trying to, I know I'm repeating myself, but I'm trying to just talk about the same thing so we can compare the video quality as well. I guess while we're doing the video too, one thing we can show is when I bought mine, I ended up getting the bundle pack, which was more, and then I also took advantage of the subscription and I got the discount. I bought the dual battery and the charger and stuff like that. So I have 2 batteries, a charger, the spare battery that comes with this, plus the battery. So I have a total of 4 batteries. You can never have enough batteries with these things because they just eat batteries like crazy. I mean, you can see I've got 3 cameras, and each camera has 3 or 4 batteries apiece. Now the 5 and the 7, well, they share the same batteries, so I have a ton of those. The 9 uses a different battery. It's a higher capacity. It's physically larger. It is not compatible with these other ones. So that's something just so you guys know. If you have older GoPros, your older GoPro batteries will not work with the Hero 9. So just a little bit of food for thought on that if you guys are going to upgrade and buy one. So yep, that will complete the little video comparison that we're going to do. And please let me know what you think as far as your opinion on the quality. I just basically wanted to see, you know, when these were new, when the 5 Black was new, that was the best of the best. Then the 7, best of the best. Now the 9 is supposedly the best out of all of them. Let's compare and see how they all stack up to one another and how they've improved over the years from the 5 to the 7 to the 9. And if you have some recommendations on settings for me, please comment and give me your input. I like these cameras, but I don't know a whole lot about them, and anything that I can do to make it that much more enjoyable for you guys and for myself, let me know. And then I'm also going to do a 5K videos as well, but when I went into the videos, it did not show that as an option, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of figuring out and get the 5K to work. So I am going to do a 5K clip as well. Alright, so we're back on the 9. I just got a couple quick corrections I got to make. First off, from what I gather, it looks like the 5K is a slow-mo only recording. I could be wrong on that, but that's just what it looks like. It looks like 5K is for slow-mo only. I'm going to have to look into that a little bit more. And then the other thing too is in the 4K, I'm actually filming in 4K 30 frames per second, and it's called Linear Plus. So I said 24 frames, but it's actually up. It's 30 frames per second, not 24. So the 5 and the 7 are at 24 frames per second. This is at 30 frames per second. Those are in super wide mode. This is in linear plus mode. And then like I said, I don't think I can film in 5K and make standard videos. I'm gonna do a little bit more reading and digging, but just it looks like that is slow motion videos only. So if I'm wrong on that, don't bite my head off. Like I said, I'm still learning about this. I literally just unboxed this and I'm making this video. As far as for the iPhone, I'm just filming my intro video, or the first video was just default high-res settings that iPhone films, and I didn't even check. I might not even be in the max video mode on that one. So yep, but that's the video. And like I always say in all my videos, please like and subscribe, turn on your notifications. I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff on the golf cart, the Maverick and stuff. So